Typically when it comes to aftermarket suspension, things like coilovers and lowering springs are some of the first things to come to mind. But believe it or not, there's a lot more to aftermarket suspension than just lowering your vehicle. And over the last couple of years, we've been adding more and more to the parts that we offer right here at MartiniWorks. And one of the brands that we've recently brought on board for a ton of different suspension components is BMR. So today we're gonna go through quite a few of the options that they have specifically for our friend Johnny and his Camaro, because he ordered a ton of stuff to upgrade pretty much the entirety of the suspension of his car. And we wanted to take a look at it before we sent it on over his way, because we actually haven't had a chance to get our hands on this stuff and take a look at it yet. So we're just gonna go over exactly what BMR is, what kind of parts that they offer, and whether or not it'd be a good option for your vehicles. So starting off, BMR is a Florida-based company. They actually develop and manufacture all of their stuff in the United States right down in Florida. So everything that you see here is built in the USA. Now, they manufacture a ton of different performance suspension solutions, focusing a lot on the domestic platforms. So things like Mustangs, Camaros, Mopars, all that sort of stuff. And again, they are focused on making your car feel tighter and more predictable, specifically for the track. A lot of stuff that they have, if you're looking at like drag setups and things like that, they have a ton of options for that. Things for bushings, different control arms, engine mounts, pretty much everything that you can imagine when it comes to the chassis of your vehicle, they offer some sort of solution for those supported platforms. So what do they make? Like I mentioned, pretty much everything, anything that you can bolt onto the underside of your car. Right out in front of me, we just have a couple of options that Johnny picked up from us. So we have a bunch of different bushings. This actually came out of a complete bushing kit for the car. I actually have the rest of it here if you want to take a little peek ski at it. I didn't want to take everything out because it's kind of insane how much is actually packed into here. It's like stuff I didn't even know. Look at that. Look at that. That's I don't even know where to begin on something like that. Just insane amount of bushing. So that is a complete bushing kit, something that you can get. Of course, you have your different arms, things like traction arms, tow arms, fully adjustable control arms, things like that. This looks absolutely awesome. This is one of the rear control arms for the Camaro. Got the BMR like freaking cut out in the actual control arm bracket itself. I think that looks absolutely killer. The finish on these is actually really nice looking too. And again, this is just a couple of the things. Of course, they have sway bars, they have panhard bars, K-members, bracings, bushings, and even full suspension packages as well. And like I mentioned, BMR is a super popular choice for those with domestic platforms that are looking to upgrade their stuff. So specifically like for drag racing or other track type driving. Now BMR has become quite the respected brand in its class, and specifically in the scene of domestic muscle cars. And we get a ton of feedback from customers saying that these are the parts that you want on your car when you're looking to upgrade things like this, specifically for those muscle car platforms. And not only that, they are parts that you can truly feel a difference in. Now, I will say that these parts specifically from BMR, they are performance first parts. Now, these aren't gonna be something on your car and be like, oh man, that really improved the ride quality and feel of my car when it comes to comfort. No, these are focusing on giving you a stiffer ride. You're gonna feel more vibrations, especially when upgrading things like mounts and bushings and engine mounts and things like that. But the trade-off is gonna be a ton more feedback and more control of your car, which is exactly what BMR is after. So if you do have one of those vehicles and you're looking to upgrade your vehicle's suspension or bushings or something like that, I think BMR is a fantastic option out there. Might be one of the best ones out there right now when it comes to this type of stuff. They've been doing an incredible job and they keep expanding their product catalog more and more. So like I mentioned, we just added BMR to the website over at MartiniWorks. We have everything like this and more available over there. And if you're not seeing something specifically that you're looking for, just let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you out. But go ahead, check out BMR on MartiniWorks. Let us know your thoughts on it. And of course, go ahead and pick something up. And like I said, if you need help with anything, we're more than happy to help. You can check all that out and more over at MartiniWorks.com.